Hello there and welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of training with a student I've been working with for some time. It's what you might call post CBT or CBT plus work, and it's just gaining some extra confidence prior to moving up to direct access. So they'll be riding their own bike and we're just going to do a couple of hours and we'll see how we get on. Right lifesaver. So this roundabout has got 2 lanes, so we're going to try and use that lane discipline of using the centre of the left lane. And at the roundabout we are following the road ahead yet again. Good, nicely done. Good, I like the caution there, the reaction to the hazard, excellent. So at the first roundabout we'll follow the road ahead, but at the second roundabout we'll turn left, please. So at the second roundabout, turn left. It's looking good, it's looking good. They're coming in nice and slow because you don't want to stop if you can avoid it. If you come in gently and you've got lots of time. Okay, that's fine. At the mini roundabout we'll turn right, please. At the mini roundabout we'll turn right. So just need to cancel that that's good. Good. Now we just need to work on that clutch control a little bit because we're a little bit harsh on it. So just cancel your signal now. Slowly as you pass this obstruction. Good. Always got to watch those cars reversing out, haven't you? You know, as long as you get good eye contact with the driver, considering a haul morning. Easing off a little bit, easing off a little bit, easing off, easing off, easing off. Let the problem disappear, don't get involved with it. That's good. And then of course now you suddenly see the cyclist, because the vans were blocking that cyclist, weren't they, initially? Of bends, just be aware of that van, make sure he turns first, that's good. So try and glance across the fields if you can, just very gentle little glances, get a nice early view. Look all the way through the bend, just let the bike take you. That's lovely. Remember, set the bend up on the approach, then the bend's easy. Easing off a little bit now, just easing off a little bit. And gently tease it through on the gas. Look and lean, look and lean. Nice. It's the same with his left-hander, it's fairly tight. Set your speed now. Don't get too close to the white line, it's quite a narrow bit of road. If you met a lorry or a bus, it wouldn't be very pleasant, you know. You'd be quite close to it, that's nice. Look and lean, gentle power now, gentle power. Good, it's all nicely done. Hopefully you're feeling nice and relaxed today, getting more into it, that's great. So yeah, we just got to remember a little bit smoother on that clutch when we're negotiating roundabouts, pulling away. Just take your time with those left fingers, don't rush it. That'll do, you don't get any closer, gently, 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 that's nice. So we can see he's hopefully turning right, isn't he? We're not going to assume he's definitely going to, but we'll see what gap we get. Depends on how he positions. Okay, so at the next roundabout we will take the third exit, which is ahead. Take the third exit, which is ahead, please. So if you remember, this roundabout's quite narrow, isn't it? So we don't really have actual lanes on this one. Yeah, that's fine. At least you've checked your blind spot, which is good. Let's get this good. Nice timing on the signal. Today for pedestrians walking in the road, isn't it? So where he's pulled out in front of you, hang back, because now you're starting to lose the view. See, I'm slightly to the left and I can see pretty much what's going on. That's another reason. Not very helpful, is it? So we need to try and get a view. So that car's now come up to the junction, which I... really bad place for him to stop, isn't it? Because we've now not got a clue what's going on. It's very dangerous. I think he's going to wait, isn't he? So we need to try and get a view beyond him. So you've got to try and crawl out a little bit and just get a view around him. This is where your clutch slip comes in, very gently. Okay, just slip that clutch gently. Okay. Okay, you're all good. I don't know if you heard, the guy said back up and he just started reversing. He did, and that's the trouble, you see, if you're too close, he'll go over the top of you. Never get too close to stuff, they don't see you. you just come into this a little bit more slowly because someone's bound to try and come past the lorry. So come down those gears so you're always in the correct gear for your road speed, and then you can react when you need to. Get yourself seen, that's it. Stay slightly to the left, because then they'll see you earlier. And it also keeps you away if that door swings round. Yeah? So yet again, it's all about creating space and visibility. Mirror check. So remember, make sure you check your 360 awareness before you move away. So yet again, big bus, likely to stop, likely to block your view. Now at the traffic lights, we're going to turn right, please. At the traffic lights, we'll turn right. So try not to get alongside the bus. When we've got somewhere to go, we'll go. He could pull away, we don't know, but when it's good, away we go. Okay, so at the roundabout, we'll turn right, please. At the roundabout, we'll turn right. So a little bit too far out to the left there. Left lifesaver required. A bit late, but okay, it was there. It's good. We'll have a chat about that in a moment. Okay, so when you're ready, I'd like you to ride on, please. Mind this Mercedes coming towards you. Just get that view first. Okay, so at the mini roundabout, we'll turn right, please. So at the mini roundabout, we'll turn right. So this is where you need a little bit of clutch slip, consider a bit of rear brake, and a little bit of gas for stability. It's a little bit early down into that gear. Okay, that's that van again, isn't it? He likes you. Okay, at the junction, at the end of the road, we'll turn right, please. Now try and stop gently so that you keep your brake foot up, okay? We always mostly want to keep the brake foot up. Don't get too close to the van, preserve the view, gently into the stop. That's good. We'll talk about the roundabout later. Just take your time, don't rush. Don't forget your rear obs. So not much view past the white van, so just let that view come in by hanging back a little bit and don't get too close to him. Try and preserve a little bit of view. Good. So always a gentle stop, nothing's rushed, take your time. Beautiful. Rear obs, that's lovely. Be aware of the silver taxi on the right. Good. Come slightly to the left. It just gives you a little bit of extra room with oncoming traffic on the parked cars. So we're going to slow it right down now, slow it right down. Okay, the lights have intervened. What I was going to say to you there is never expect a vehicle to turn. And on vehicles turning right, if you hang back a little bit, if they get stuck, you can always plan a leftward position past them. So as soon as they go red amber, get your rear obs in and you're ready to go on the green if it's clear.